Welcome to my review of Heap Analytics. In this video, I'll be going over my personal experience with the platform and whether it lives up to the hype. Heap Analytics is an analytics tool that stands out because it automatically tracks user behavior on your website or app. Instead of manually setting up events, Heap captures all interactions and makes them available for analysis. This is great for teams who want to skip the setup process and dive straight into insights. One thing that immediately struck me about Heap was the user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate, and even though the platform can handle large amounts of data, it doesn't feel overwhelming to use. However, there's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're new to analytics tools. The more advanced features, like custom event creation or data segmentation, require some familiarity with how data is structured. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. When it comes to pricing, Heap isn't the cheapest option out there, especially for small businesses. The pricing structure is based on your volume of data and the features you need, which means costs can quickly add up. However, the platform does offer a free plan with limited functionality, which can be great for small teams or startups that need basic insights. For those who need more advanced capabilities, the paid plans provide access to powerful features like retroactive event tracking and data governance tools. The real value of Heap lies in its automatic data collection. This means you don't need to manually tag each user action, like clicks or page views, which can save time and reduce errors. Heap captures everything in the background, and you can later filter and analyze this data with ease. It's a massive time saver for teams that want to focus on insights rather than setup. On the downside, Heap's customer support can be hit or miss. While their documentation is comprehensive, I did find it challenging to get quick help when I encountered issues. The support team does provide in-depth answers, but response times can be slow at times. Overall, Heap Analytics is an excellent tool for businesses looking to automate their data collection and gain deep insights into user behavior. Its powerful features and ease of use make it suitable for both large enterprises and smaller businesses that want to scale. However, the cost may be a barrier for smaller teams or those on a tight budget. If you're interested in exploring Heap, I highly recommend you check out the useful links in the description below to get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching.